Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Foodies at Home. In today's episode, we'll be making sticky wings 2 ways with roasted potatoes. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. First, let's add our chicken wings to a bowl. We're using 3 kilos. Add salt, pepper, paprika, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, soy sauce, and olive oil. Thoroughly mix this onto the wings. Divide the wings into 2 bowls for the 2 separate sauces. Crack in 2 eggs per bowl. Massage this into the wings. Add some corn flour and some plain flour. Coat it well. Season with salt and marinade for at least an hour. For the roast potatoes, cut up some potatoes into wedges. Leave the skins on. And put them to boil for 7 minutes. While this is happening, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. To a baking tray, add some butter and some garlic. Place this into the oven for the butter to melt and for the garlic to infuse into the butter. Once the potatoes are boiled, drain them and give them a good mix. You want them to be nice, soft and fluffy. Add the potatoes to the baking tray with the melted butter and garlic. Season liberally with salt and pepper and put back into the oven. While the potatoes roast, let's get started with the first of our 2 sticky sauces. To a bowl, add ketchup, mayonnaise, chili garlic sauce, sriracha, and a couple of splashes of Tabasco sauce, honey, and optionally some house dressing mix. Season with pepper and mix thoroughly to combine. After the potatoes have been in the oven for around 20 minutes, take them out, add some rosemary and some thyme. Give them a mix and put them back in the oven. For our second sauce, chop up 1 medium-sized onion, a few cloves of garlic, and some ginger. And heat up some cooking oil in a pan to 145 degrees Celsius. Add in your wings in batches and let these fry for 7 to 10 minutes. Try not to agitate them too much for the first couple of minutes to ensure we get a crispy skin. Once they've cooked through and become nicely golden brown, remove them from the oil, strain off the excess oil, and put these to one side. Fry these in batches to ensure they don't stick and the oil doesn't cool down too much. For our second sauce, add some oil to a pan. Add in your onions and let these fry. Once they've softened, add your chopped ginger and garlic. Add some chili paste. Once these become fragrant, add some water to stop the frying. We want to then add ketchup, soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, and Szechuan sauce. Season this with salt and pepper. Give this a good mix. Once the sauce looks like this, add some white vinegar, mix in, and add your cornflour slurry. If the sauce becomes too thick, add a bit of water to thin it out. Let this simmer. Add in half your wings. Mix in well. Give it a bit of a shake. And they're done. Finally, chop up some spring onions for garnish. Add the other half of your wings to a bowl. Add in the sauce that we made earlier. Cover it up, give it a good mix, make sure everything's coated, and these are done too. Sprinkle over the spring onions for garnish. After about an hour, the potatoes should be done. So let's plate up and enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.